Hi everyone, my name is Philippe Aumet. I've been studying in business management at Antique College for 2 years now, and today I'll show you a website I use to help people find a job. Before this, you may be wondering what's business management. So, business management is everything you need to know when you think of running a company. I know it can be large, but it's starting by the type of company you want to run and all the administrative sphere like finance, human resources, marketing, etc. But today I will focus on a common challenge that anyone can have to resolve, and it's to find a job in your field of study. The first steps is to open a new tab on your computer and write down the URL, the website URL, and today I will show you the website Indeed. So you write down indeed.com and click on enter. You will appear on this page. Uh, in the middle of the screen, there are two text area named what and where. Those text area will help you find your job. Uh, it's the easy way to write keywords and to find a job quickly. So in the text area what, I will write down a keywords about my field of study. And for the example, it will be human resources. So I write down human resources because I want to apply in a job in human resources. And where, for me, it's going to be Montreal, Quebec, but you can write down uh, anywhere you want to find your job. After writing down my information, I'll click on the Find Job button, which is on the right-hand side of the screen. It will show you all the job you can apply on. So for the example, I will try to apply on the first one, which is a job proposed by David Stee. As you can see, it's a job in human resources. The keyword I wrote down in the text area what, and it's more specifically to be a director. When I click on it, um, a new page will appear on the right hand side, and it will be all the information you need to know about the job. After reading it, if I think the job is interesting and I want to apply on this job, I only need to click on Apply Now, and a new page will appear. On this page, you will sign in and write your information, and those information uh, will directly be sent to the company and they will receive your application. So I hope this website will be helpful for you and that you will find a job soon, and thanks for watching.